It's my very great pleasure to be able to introduce the 2019 Lord Cohen Lecture. And I'm very pleased to be able to introduce Professor Olle Cate, who will give the lecture. So Olle is founder and director of the Centre for Research and Development of Education at the University Medical Centre Utrecht in the Netherlands. His personal research focuses on some of the biggest themes in the medical education field, some of the biggest debates: competence, performance, assessment, and entrustable professional activities, which are kind of a culmination of all three. I did a little bit of researching Olle for this introduction, and according to ResearchGate, he has 515 research items, 82,528 reads, and 9,616 citations. And in ResearchGate, you get to see the